Guys, welcome back to Sprites. Today, I'm going to be teaching you how to code on Scratch. Now this website is, I think, a very good coding website. First of all, it's block coding. So it's not too you can make games that aren't complicated, and then you can make games that are complicated with this. What's good about this type of block coding is that it kind of forms a sentence, so it makes sense. So yeah, today I'm gonna be teaching you how to code on Scratch. And I recommend using a mouse since it's going to, cause since you're gonna be dragging these blocks, it'll make it much easier. And right click for like duplicating and deleting blocks and stuff. Anyways, please leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So, what I always like to do is name it something. You can name this whatever you want. I'm gonna name it tutorial. I don't know. Okay. First, now, come on. Okay, so whenever you start something, you need these event blocks, because when something happens, that's when it happens. So we'll do one click since that's one of the most basic. These are the ones we'll get to later. There are some blocks that I have no idea what they do. Because I'm not the best at coding, but I am pretty good, so I thought I'd make some videos. So what you do, you put when click. Now let's say we want this cat to move. Just put, so when green flag clicked, which is this, move 10 steps. So move 10 steps. Okay, so maybe you want it to start over here, since it just looks better. So what you do, you go here, you put go to, and you put it here. So that way, when you click it, let's say it's over here. When you click it, it does this, and it moves. Now if you want to be able to see it moving a little more, you could put one of these, which is wait. So it basically just puts timer, kind of like wait. Let's wait 1 second. Okay. So now, say it's over here. Goes there, waits, goes. See? So that's that. Now, we have a white screen here, which is kind of boring. So what we can do, we can add a backdrop. So we could do any of these backdrops, or you could upload a picture, or if you want to, you can make your own backdrop. But we're gonna stick with these for now, just to make it simple. We are going to do, let's see, what should we do? Let's do stars, cat in space. Okay, so we can do this. There you go. So it moves. Now, it's not moving a bunch, so what we could do is we could put a ton of these move blocks, but that's a lot to put. So obviously there's a repeat, so you can repeat it 10 times. You can also, every time it repeats, move 20, so you can change that. You can change how much times it repeats, so you like this. Yeah, see? So it walks across. Now, since I've shown you some basics, I haven't shown you too much since, I haven't really done much. I've never done a coding tutorial, so I'm going to be learning a lot of how to do these. Just saying. So, this is for it to move. Now, the cat, it's literally just sliding through space. It would look much better if it looked like it was actually walking. So, okay. these are called sprites. Obviously, you see at the bottom. So some of these sprites have like different costumes to make it look animated. See that right there? It looks like it actually looks like it's walking. So what we can do is we can take the look section. Next costume. So you do next costume, move 20 steps. Now it would look better if you put weight so that way it just doesn't go like running off fast. So we get next costume like this, and see? Now, so that is it walking. Now, if you wanted it to go faster, you would obviously shorten the time of this for it to be, say, 0.5 seconds. Like this. So it's walking a little faster. If you want it to be really fast, you don't put weight. You just, yeah, it runs pretty fast. So that's the cat walking. Now you can also add like different sprites. So these are kind of the basics. You got motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, and my blocks. My blocks, I actually figured what this was yesterday. It's pretty useful, but we're gonna be doing that in later episodes. So now we're going to make a game instead of just making a cat simply walk, because I mean I wouldn't like to just do that all day, right? Okay, so what we're going to do, we will delete all no, so just do it. So there's all that deleted because we're gonna make the game. So what we're gonna do, we're going to make a clicking game. So it's going to be like where the cat, like you're the cat, and you have to click the ball that's flying around in space, and like each time you click it, you get a point, and you try to see how much points you get, like up to 10 or something. We're gonna try to do that in this episode. I think we can. It's not too hard. So obviously you're gonna need a new sprite, like a new character or object, whatever. So since it's gonna be a ball, we're gonna get a ball. So you got your ball. Now what we want is when it's clicked, we want it to move to random places. We don't want it to go into a pattern. So like the player is not like, okay, it's like this. So it goes that. We want it to be random. So what we'll do, we'll there's repeat and there's forever. So you can just put a forever loop. So that way it does it forever. Now you can't put anything under the forever loop because obviously it goes forever. So if something was under there, it would never happen because this here is going forever. So forever, you can go to motion. It glides 1 second to random position. So it'll go like this. See, like that. But that's kind of, we can make it faster, right? I personally think we can make this faster. We can do 0.7 seconds. Okay, that is pretty good. That's a good speed. So it does this. See, it's moving around randomly. So there's no pattern. So now what we're gonna do is we're going to make it so that now the cat, we're not going to really use this thing because, I mean, if you want to keep it, you can still keep it, but it's not going to be used because you're just going to be clicking on it. So what we'll take the events when this sprite clicked, like when it's clicked, so when you absolutely click it, we're going to put something under this. We'll put when clicked. Now we're gonna go to variables, because remember I said that there's going to be a score, so we can put like score, and then we can do score 0. So when the sprite clicked, now this is a variable section, so obviously this is where you're gonna change your variables and stuff. Now you can also make this large readout and then slider to do that. We're gonna stick with normal right now. Yeah, so how you make one, you just click this, name it, press OK. So we're going to change score by 1. So when you click it, it changes your score by 1 point. Like, if I can get this. Yeah, there you go, see? So it ups my score by 1. Which makes sense, because the sentence, when this right click, change score by 1. Sentence, see? It's easy. Okay, so now we're going to make it where you get to 10 points, you win, or it stops, you win. Now, this is going to include some operators. So what you're going to do, you're going to get if. So if you're now, okay, if the score equals 10. Now what you can do, you go to variables. Whatever variable you make will also be in this oval form. So you could drag it and put it in this. Okay? So it'd be if the score, which is this amount, equals 10, which is how much we want till you win, then we'll just do stop all. So like that. So when it goes to 10, then stop all. So save this. Oh, and also what you need to do when the green flag is clicked, set. You're doing set because you want to set the score to 0, so that way when you click it, you don't stay at 10, and then like you can't do anymore because it's already at 10. So there's the game done. Let's test it out. And you know what? Before I do this, let's put a wait so you're ready. Why not? Okay. Getting it to get 10 points. I might make this slower. This is complicated. No. Get it. 3. No, I'm getting. I'm getting it. Gonna put in full screen. Yeah, you can put it full screen. Okay, come on. Get the ball. Yay! See, it works. So, and if you want to go out, so that full screen. Yeah. And I always recommend clicking this to save your project, or otherwise you will never be able to save your project and you shall lose all your progress. Yeah, so this is all we have for today's video on Scratch. The next one, we're probably gonna be doing stuff like you can make the cat move, like WASD, like that. I'm still gonna be planning what to do. I do have games that I've already made on this. My studio is called Baraka Huma Studs. I'll put the name of it in the description, or the link in the description if I can't do that. I mean, I don't know. I don't even know how to put a link. Yeah, but that's the end of today's video. We'll see you guys next time. Bye. Wait.